Here I've got PHILIPS X818 and let me show you how to perform a factory reset through the settings on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then slide down and open backup and reset, and here the last tab is factory data reset. So if you truly want to wipe all the data from your device's internal storage, click on factory data reset. And now confirm that you would like to remove your Google account, system and update and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos and all the other user data by tapping on reset phone. And now confirm it one more time by tapping on erase everything. And now just patiently wait until it's done. And that's it. As you can see now, you can set up your device as a new one. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.